The HMRC app is an easy way to make a self-assessment payment. It's free and secure, and you can use it anytime on any smartphone or tablet. Once you've signed in, you'll see a section called Self-Assessment. This takes you to your self-assessment summary. The section called View Breakdown shows what you owe for the current tax year. It gives you a breakdown of your self-assessment payments so you can see exactly what you need to pay. You can use the app to make a payment through online banking or your own bank's app. It's quick and can help you budget your payments. You can make a payment anytime for any amount, but you must pay what you owe by the date it's due to avoid interest and penalties. To make a payment, select Pay by Bank Account and follow the instructions. Choose your bank from the list. This takes you to your bank's app so you can sign in securely and approve the payment. If you don't use your bank's app, you'll be redirected to your bank's website to sign in and pay. The HMRC app connects automatically to your banking app or website. It will supply your payment details so you can pay straight away without worrying about mistakes. You can add your email address if you'd like an email confirming your payment. You'll see confirmation of your payment along with a payment reference number. Please allow up to 5 days for the payment to show on your account. Once you've used the app, you can sign in again on any device using your 6-digit PIN, facial recognition, or your thumbprint. You can download the app from Google Play for Android devices or from the App Store for Apple products. Find out more on gov.uk and search HMRC app.